Hi, my name is Susan Perez. I am an immigration attorney, and I'm here to discuss briefly and answer questions regarding the proclamation that was issued by the President tonight, suspending immigration for 60 days. The proclamation will take effect on April 23rd, 2020 at 11:59 p.m. The first part of the proclamation talks about the certain aliens who will not be allowed to enter the United States for the next 60 days. So those are aliens who are outside the United States. So if you're already here and applying for adjustment of status, then the suspension will not apply to you. Those who do not have an immigrant visa. So if you already have an immigrant visa and you are just waiting for COVID-19 to subside before you can fly, before you want to fly to the United States, then the suspension will not apply to you. And those who do not have official travel documents. So if you have a parole document, you can come and go. And the second part of the proclamation talks about the classes of aliens who will be allowed to enter the United States, and so the suspension shall not apply to them. Number one, lawful permanent residents or green card holders. Those aliens who are seeking to enter the United States on an immigrant visa as physicians, nurse, or other healthcare professionals. Those aliens who are applying for a visa to enter under the EB-5 investor program, and alien who is the spouse of a U.S. citizen. So I have a lot of clients who are spouses of a U.S. citizen, so you don't have to worry. The suspension will not apply to you. And even before the proclamation was made public, I already told them that I don't think the prohibition will apply to you, because as a U.S. citizen, you have the right to be with your spouse. So number 5, alien who is under 21 years old and a child of a U.S. citizen. So if you are a child of a legal permanent resident under 21, the suspension will apply. If you are a spouse of a legal permanent resident, the suspension will also apply. If you're over 21 and a son or daughter of a U.S. citizen or a legal permanent resident, then the suspension will apply. And the last would be the spouse and children of the member of the armed forces. So please feel free to email me or message me or post your questions, and I'll answer your questions, your inquiries as soon as I can. Thank you, and have a good evening.